What is a foundation? A foundation is the lowest part of a building, designed to distribute building load safely to the ground, prevent settlement or movement, protect the structure from ground moisture or shifting soil. A good foundation system considers soil type, load from the structure, water table, frost depth, seismic activity. Two main categories of foundations. 1. Shallow foundations, also called spread foundations, used when strong soil is close to the surface. Types of shallow foundations. Strip foundation, wall footing, continuous strip of concrete under load-bearing walls. Common for small buildings. Pad footing, isolated footing, square or rectangular pads under individual columns, used for columns in RCC frames. Raft mat foundation, large concrete slab covering the entire footprint. Spreads loads evenly, ideal for weak soils or basements. Combined footing, supports 2 or more columns when they are close together, used when loads are high or property lines restrict placement. 2. Deep foundations, used when good soil is deeper down or the load is very heavy. Types of deep foundations. Pile foundation, long cylinders of concrete, steel, or timber driven deep into the ground. Transfers loads to hard strata or rock layers. Types: end-bearing piles, friction piles, board piles, drill-driven piles, pier foundation caissons, large diameter cylindrical shafts, used in bridges, large towers, or deep basements. Constructed by boring holes and filling with concrete. What all entails in a foundation system? Excavation, digging to the required depth, depending on soil and design. Consider drainage and shoring, formwork and reinforcement, temporary molds and steel rebars to shape and strengthen the concrete. Footings, the concrete base that directly holds the columns or walls. Foundation walls or piers, support superstructure above. Damp proofing, waterproofing, membranes or coatings to prevent moisture from rising. Backfilling, replacing soil around the foundation after construction. Soil treatment, to prevent termites or improve bearing capacity. Drainage systems, foundation drains or sump pumps to avoid water accumulation. Settlement and load analysis, done by geotechnical engineers. Foundation choice depends on type of structure: residential, commercial, high-rise, load intensity, soil conditions, bearing capacity, water content, site conditions, slope, nearby structures, climate, freeze-thaw, flooding, budget, and time constraints. If you're designing in software like ArchiCAD, Revit, or SketchUp, let me know. I can walk you through modeling these foundations too. Need help with a specific foundation type, or are you working on a particular project or site condition?